Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. We are together with another educational video. We will talk about the 1inch swap platform today. But before we start, please click on the subscribe button, turn on the notifications and follow our other social media accounts to not miss out on any opportunities such as upcoming pre-sales and airdrop chances. 1inch is a decentralized exchange built on the Ethereum network. For that reason, it is more expensive regarding the gas fees compared to the other swap platforms. 1inch enables users to swap between cryptocurrency assets listed and non-listed on the centralized crypto exchanges such as Binance or Coinbase. To use this platform, we need to have one of these wallets, and I will drop the tutorial link for how to open a MetaMask wallet under this video. You can check it. At first, we have to click at this read and accept box, and then later we will be able to select any of these wallets. After connecting our MetaMask wallet, we need to confirm it from the pop-up request on our MetaMask as well. And now my wallet is connected. Regarding transaction fees, the Ethereum network-based platforms are much more expensive than other decentralized swap platforms such as PancakeSwap, which is built on the Binance Smart Chain. To swap coins or tokens, we need to hold some amount of Ethereum coin to pay the gas fees. For each transaction, a user pays approximately between $5 to $20 worth of Ethereum. However, this price can increase up to $100 depending on the network usage. The main idea of this platform is to swap tokens that cannot be found in every crypto exchange, and for that reason, swap platforms such as PancakeSwap or Uniswap are highly used by the crypto community. But there is one special thing about this platform. Unlike Pancake or Uniswap, we can select which network we would like to use on the 1inch platform. For example, instead of using the Ethereum network, I can switch to the Binance network to reduce the gas fees. But to do that, I also need to switch my MetaMask network from Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain. Or if I'm going to use the Avalanche network, I have to change it to Avalanche. We have swap and limit buttons on the trade option. We can add tokens that we want to buy or sell from here. If we click on this box, we can select the coin from the list, or we can type its name or its contract address. And if you don't know how to find a contract address for a token or coin, you can use the coin market cap. And if you don't have any idea about how to use this platform, you can also find our tutorial list on how to use the coin market cap and its benefits. For example, let's type 1inch in here, and here we have the contract address for 1inch token. After copying this address, we can come back here and we can paste it into this box. And as you can see, we have the 1inch token right here. But be aware that you need to choose the correct network for that token. For example, if I want to swap FitFi tokens, since the FitFi token is connected to Avalanche network, I need to select Avalanche from here. Otherwise, I cannot find it. On the limit orders, we can set a limit price to sell or buy tokens. For example, if I want to sell 1inch token, which its current price is 61 cents, but let's say I would like to sell it at the price of $2. Since I cannot stay in front of the computer every day, all day, for God knows how long, instead, I can just set a limit order from any exchange, and I can also adjust the day. Here we have the custom. I can make it to even 416 days. And in that time, if price of the 1inch token increases to $2, the system will automatically sell my 1inch tokens from the price of $2. After setting up everything, I need to click on this review limit order button, sign and proceed. And again, I need to sign and proceed with my MetaMask wallet as well. But since I don't have any Ethereum on my wallet, and since I have to pay the gas fees and other transaction requests, I will skip this one. I just wanted to show it to you. On the DAO button, we have staking, liquidity protocol, and aggregation protocol. On staking, users can receive up to 100% of the gas fees throughout transactions they made. But of course, they need to stake 100,000 1inch tokens for that. But users who stake their 1inch tokens can vote directly on major protocol parameters of the 1inch liquidity protocol and 1inch aggregation protocol via instant governance, which has an immediate effect. On the aggregation protocol, a staker can vote for referral reward distribution between the treasury and the referrers. On the liquidity protocol, factory governance and pool governance are determined by voting. Factory governance is responsible for parameters shared by all pools such as the default swap fee, the default price impact fee, the default decay period, the referral reward, and the governance reward. These parameters are regulated by voting with 1inch tokens, and this pool governance will include the configuration of parameters that are specific to each pool, such as the swap fee, the price impact fee, and the decay period. Pool governance is done with LP tokens which are granted to liquidity contributors. The 1-inch token is not used in pool governance. We have the farming and pool options on the earn button. We can generate liquidity tokens through these pools and we can stake our liquidity tokens in these farms and earn revenue. To do that, we need to combine 2 tokens and get liquidity provider version of 1 token. In this case, it will be the 1-inch token. To generate liquidity, I have 2 options. I can either create a pool or I can join an existed one. After selecting my token, I need to click on this provide liquidity button. And after combining Ethereum and 1-inch tokens into this pool, I will provide liquidity, and with that liquidity, I will have the liquidity provider tokens of 1-inch. For example, if I want to have 500 LP tokens, I have to provide 875 1-inch tokens and 0.5 Ethereum. After giving the permission, again, I need to sign and proceed for both parties, for MetaMask and from the 1-inch platform. And after done with my request, I will have the liquidity version of 1-inch tokens. And later, I can click on this farming button and stake my 1-inch tokens to, in this case, this pool. And to do that, I need to click on this deposit button. And later, if I want my tokens back, I can click on this claim button and I will have my extra tokens plus my rewards for providing liquidity. But why should we provide liquidity? By providing liquidity to the pools, we can earn additional rewards. As others would buy or sell our provided tokens, we receive some amount of their transaction fees as payment. However, as the liquidity in any pool changes, our provided liquidity tokens can decrease or increase. For example, today you may see 10 tokens in your wallet, but it can be 8 or 12 tomorrow. Each token has different rate of revenue and users get rewarded based on how much they invested and how long they remained invested. Since this platform is built on the Ethereum network, you can find the most tokens to stake in the Ethereum network. For example, if I switch my network to the Binance Smart Chain, I am on the left, and again also I need to change my MetaMask wallet as well. But as you can see, I am on the left with 2 options to stake with. And if I switch to the other networks, for example, if I switch it to Avalanche network, as you can see, the staking and farm options are completely removed. This means we can only farm and generate liquidity tokens from the Ethereum and Binance networks. We can learn more about the 1-inch platform by clicking on this more button. We have the documentation, blog, help, about, IPFS deployment and Skynet deployment options. Let's click on this blog button. Here we have another page. We have the social media platforms for 1-inch. We have the Instagram, Facebook and Twitter accounts. We can access their website. We have the About, DeFi Explained, Academy, liquidity mining, integrations and new releases options in here. And if we scroll down, we have these various mini articles which we can learn more about the 1-inch platform and also other crypto related news. And here we have the buy Ethereum button. I am assuming that if you don't have any crypto exchange account, you can click on this buy Ethereum button and purchase Ethereum with any fiat currency that you can select from this list. You can type the amount you would like to purchase and then you can click on this continue button. In our next video, we will learn how to use the Uniswap platform. If this video was simple and educational enough for you, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and follow our other social media accounts to not miss out on the latest news and upcoming events. For example, you can follow our Twitter account to learn the latest updates about the crypto world. We do share a lot of information that you cannot find in our YouTube channel. And also you can click on this link and have access to all of our channels. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.